Welcome back to the Pleasure Code, where we don't just stroke harder, we stroke smarter. Today, we're going deep, but not in the way you think. Because truth is, most men are doing deep strokes wrong. They think going deeper, faster, or harder is the path to pleasure. But that path often leads to shutdown, disconnection, discomfort. So let's fix that. Mistake number 1, going deep too soon. Deep strokes require preparation. The internal zones that respond to deep penetration, like the A spot and cervix, need to be warmed, engorged, and invited. If you go deep before she's ready, it doesn't feel intimate. It feels invasive. To fix this, use the warm wave strategy. Spend 80% of your time shallow, glide, hover, retreat. Let her body open on its own. Mistake number 2, mistaking power for presence. Men often push deep to feel powerful, but real power comes from restraint, from reading her breath, her body language, and her rhythm. To fix this, replace force with rhythm. Try the drop stroke. Glide to full depth, then pause. Let your body weight rest. Pulse gently. No thrust. Just pressure and presence. Mistake number 3, one-dimensional depth. You're going deep, but in a straight line. And that's why she's not lighting up. Her body has curves, angles, and zones. And deep strokes that ignore geometry miss every pressure point. To fix this, learn directional mastery. Tilt down to hit the G spot. Tilt up to target the back wall. Shift left and right to explore the inner ridges. You're not just moving in, you're navigating. If you made these 3 mistakes, you're not broken, you're just untrained. But here, inside the Pleasure Code, we don't perform. We practice, we listen, we adapt, and we move like men who know the weight of our presence. So subscribe, practice, and master the code.